Hey everybody, Katie here from Stark Bros Nurseries and Orchard Company, and I'm getting ready to do a little fall planting. Naturally, many of us buy our new plants and trees in the spring because that's a great time to plant, but so is the fall. So here are my top 5 advantages for planting in the fall. Number 1, the temperatures are perfect. It's warm, but not too warm, and cool, but not too cool. This is going to give your plant or tree the perfect opportunity to establish a really strong root system. Number 2, less stress. The fall weather is ideal for establishing your new plant or tree and gives it less of a chance of transplant shock. Number 3, the days are shorter, but they're still really bright. So this is going to help your tree or plant acclimate to your area as it goes into its dormancy. Number 4, you get to watch it wake up with nature next spring, and you've already checked something off your to-do list. Number 5, with some varieties, planting in the fall can yield a harvest as early as next summer. For more information on what to grow in your zone, or how to best take care of your plant or tree, come visit us at starkbros.com.